Hello YouTube, Text back with another great video, and today's video is about laptop battery health. So we are going to check your laptop's battery health. So stay tuned until the end of the video, and I have two methods in order to check your laptop's battery health. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one would be using the Powershell. So in order to get the Powershell, go to your search here and type PowerShell like this. So you type PowerShell, here you will get the Windows PowerShell in the top part. Then right click on it and select Run as Administrator. So it will ask you the confirmation and select yes. Then here the PowerShell open. So after the PowerShell open, type power cfg space / battery report. Battery report. I think it's visible. Type power cfg space / battery report. Then press enter. So after you press enter, it will start processing and it will show you this information. So battery life report saved to the file path of this, which is C Windows System 32 battery -report.html. So type this one, which is type the information that you get after System 32. So I'm going to type battery report.html. And I'm going to press enter. So as you can see, it's opened with a browser's my battery status. So the battery report installed batteries that you have different information, serial numbers, design capacity, full charge capacity, and other recent usage informations, battery usage informations, usage history, and a lot of information, battery capacity history, and also battery life estimates. Different informations will be displayed after this page opens. So check every information that you want related with your computer's battery. If this solution cannot give you your battery report, then the second method would be using the CMD. Again, in order to use the CMD, we are going to click on the search icon here and type CMD. So after you type here CMD, then go to here under the CMD, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. So after that, it will ask you a confirmation and select yes. Then again type on the CMD the same command that you use on the PowerShell, which is power cfg space / battery report, right, and press enter. So after that, it will process and it will give you again the direction for your battery life report. And again, after the System 32, all the information's right on your CMD. So I'm going to type battery -report.html and press enter. And again, here it displayed again the battery report that I get on the PowerShell. So different information you will get related with your battery reports, so you can check the status of your battery, whether you should have to change or any other information related with your batteries will be available here. So check these two methods in order to check the health status of your battery. So this is all about today's video, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like, and comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Tech out.